This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are stir frying chicken with French beans. We'll start off with 250 grams of chicken breast. You can of course use any other parts of the chicken you like. I'm using chicken breast here. Chicken breast has long strands of fibers running along the breast itself. You would want to cut across these grains for a more tender piece of chicken. Cut each slice into about half to 1 cm thick. Marinate it with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, prepare the French beans. Wash them thoroughly. Then, cut off both ends. Cut the French beans into smaller pieces at an angle. For the aromatics, I have here 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, and 1 spring onion cut into small pieces. For the seasoning, we'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili bean paste or Toban Djan. This is optional. You can leave it out altogether, or you can use as much as you like. If you're not sure, start off with 1 tablespoon. Heat up a wok over medium-high heat. When it's hot, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Then, add in the aromatics. That's the garlic and the spring onions. Fry these for about 30 seconds or so till they are fragrant. Next, put in the chicken. Spread the chicken out in 1 layer at the bottom of the pan. Give this a minute or so. Then, turn the chicken over and fry the other side. You will want to fry the chicken till they are almost cooked, that is, no longer pink. Once you get to this stage, add in the French beans, together with 100 ml of water. Cover and let the steam develop. The steam will cook the beans till they are tender, and the chicken as well. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You know that it's done when there's only a little bit of water left at the bottom of the pan. Next, add in the seasoning. That's a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, one to 2 tablespoons of chili bean paste or Toban Djan. Again, depending on how hot you would want it to be, or you can leave it out altogether. Stir and mix this well. Taste and adjust for seasoning. And we are done. This is stir-fry chicken with French beans.